So Genius Robert had to figure out how to get rid of his debt, which is basically 2 credit cards and a bunch of friggin' school loans. So I gotta type all this in, which is funny because I actually do know how to typewriter because I had to take the dang typewriting class. I know how to load this bitch. I know how it works. I know that they made the thing QWERTY so you don't type so fast because it fucks up the little things. Check that out. Here, so there's 3 of them in. Let's type the next one. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No, this one. Oh, that's 0221. Here, so I gotta go up. Look, you have to go up like this, and if we can get the thing on the right here. Let me see if that's right. Yep. All right, that's right. Now, dollars. Freaking 2383. 2383.